Brainy Dose presents 11 little things that make you more likable. Being likable is a key quality. It makes you more appealing and fun to be around. It also increases your chances of forging meaningful relationships, earning more money, and if you happen to be an entrepreneur, help build a stronger business. And while there are countless tips and tricks on how to improve your social skills and become more likable, more often than not, it's the little things that can make the biggest difference. The best part is that these won't compromise your authenticity, and they'll help you get along with others and make a good impression on them. So let's get started. Number 1, greet people warmly. People like to be around those who give off a positive vibe and make them feel welcome, so they're more likely to be drawn to you if you come across as approachable. A few simple gestures like a warm smile and a friendly greeting can have a significant impact. Even if you don't know the other person, a polite introduction will make them feel comfortable enough to engage in conversation. Number 2, show genuine interest. Everyone likes to feel valued, and when you make an effort to display genuine interest in what people have to say, you let them know that you care. Whether it's asking questions about their day, family, or passions, taking the time to listen allows people to open up and share more information about themselves. This not only boosts their confidence and makes them feel good, but also makes them like you more. Number 3, speak positively of others. The way you talk about others can actually have an influence on how you're being perceived. When you speak favorably of someone, people will associate those traits with your personality as well. For example, if you describe a person as genuine and kind, people will also think of you as genuine and kind. This can help you build relationships and create a positive reputation. It's also a good way to make people feel at ease around you. Of course, the reverse is also true, hence why it's always best to avoid gossip and bad-mouthing others. Number 4, find and emphasize shared values and interests. Whether you're trying to get along with your coworkers or making friends at the bar, finding common ground will help you relate. Be it a passion for travel, having the same hobby, or a mutual love for cats. When you share similar interests, ideas, or experiences, it can help create a stronger connection. It gives you something to talk about and make conversations easier and more enjoyable. Number 5, be a little touchy. Physical contact can be a powerful tool in social situations. A light touch on the arm or a gentle pat on the back can be just the thing to make someone feel at ease. It's important to be mindful of the timing and appropriateness of physical contact though. Too much can be overwhelming, but a gentle nudge here and there can make people feel more comfortable around you. Number 6, find something to laugh about together. Laughter is a bonding agent and can help people feel closer to you, even if they don't know you well. It can also make you more likable. When you're having a conversation with someone, try to look for opportunities to laugh together. You can do this by making jokes or telling humorous stories, or even just making eye contact and smiling when something funny happens. Laughing together indicates that you're in sync, helping you feel closer and more relaxed around each other. Number 7, be kind and offer assistance when needed. People generally appreciate the willingness to lend a hand, even when it's something small, like giving directions or picking up dropped items. A simple act of kindness can go a long way in showing that you are considerate and willing to go out of your way for others. Plus, when you help someone out, they'll often return the favor, and that can be beneficial for both of you in the long run. It's a win-win situation that can bring people into your life and make them more likely to think of you favorably. Number 8, show gratitude and appreciation. Expressing gratitude can have a profound effect on how others view and feel about you. People tend to admire and respect those who take the time to show their appreciation for what others do for them. No matter how small the act may be, acknowledging the gesture will make people feel good about themselves, and it can go a long way in creating positive impressions. Number 9, stay respectful when you disagree. Staying respectful when you disagree is essential to making relationships work and ensuring people like you. It's an indication that you're open to different perspectives and ideas and willing to take the time to understand others' points of view. Moreover, it sets a positive tone for the conversation, making it more likely that everyone will remain civil and be able to reach a mutually beneficial agreement. Number 10, be humble and willing to admit when you're wrong. In a world where everyone wants to be right, being willing to admit when you're wrong makes you all the more likable. When you demonstrate humility, you show that you care more about the truth than about being right. This conveys a sense of sincerity and honesty to those around you, making them more likely to trust and respect you. Number 11, recognize when it's time to wrap things up. Being able to recognize when it's time to end the interaction can definitely make you more likable. It's okay to be the one to bring up the fact that it's time to go. Don't feel like you have to keep the conversation going at all costs, just because you don't want to seem rude or uninterested. You don't want people to feel like they're being dismissed, but you don't want to overstay your welcome either. It's all about having a sense of self-awareness and respecting the other person's time and attention. Being likable may not come naturally to everyone, but it is definitely something that can be improved upon. By applying these little things into your daily interactions, you can make yourself more approachable and enjoyable to be around. With a bit of effort and patience, you may just be surprised at how well people respond to you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the notification bell. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.